Ka West Janja Hills District haringkat ka Jela Meghalaya bat kari India hi Brokaway kalau rakhe ka Republic Day bah nyop san snam Hamadan jiri salan Jowai hakabalai wan baniadan rangkat dau Bah Hek Umentri badi khmi ya tanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ka Sarkar Jela ubla penher ya ka lama kari kum ukongsan bat shimru ya ka Rashtriya Salute haba Kren ka jingalang rakhe Bah Hek ula pen kan mau sepanggi riewshlur ki bala IT ya la ka jing im na ka benta ka jing laitluid na kiti ki pareng bat kedau ru halor ki scheme ki bang Sarkar Jela ka pentrekam Kila don arpoken hon ki blay shimmanda ka Republic Day Parade bukuntop ya ka District Jowai Police ka NCC na JNV Mukla ka Government Girls Higher Secondary School Jowai West Janja Hills Bharat Scouts and Guides Jowai bat khat santali ki school Lapan iru i kita bot balasna dagi khat santali ki snat trekam jong Sarkar Jela ha ka district ki balapan i ya ka jingla ban trekam jong ki Hakaringa singi la samru iki kusnam se kibala job na kajinga ko parade kata ka JNV Mukla ka St Mary Mazarelu Higher Secondary School Jowai bat ka Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jowai naror ki weipat ki jingpen ko buram
Following this, we have young number adopted one commanded by Master Shongkun. A huge number of calls for young number adopted higher secondary commanded by Master Riewshlur Nakadam. A huge number of calls for government boys adopted higher secondary school Jowai commanded by Master Kyrwoh.
Jowai in the kindness Mara. The next contingent following the police school Government Girls Higher Secondary School Jowai. The Government Girls contingent we have another contingent Flowers English Secondary School Atiar Jowai being commanded by Master
Now we have St High Secondary School Jowai, commanded by Miss Appreciation MD. Huge round of applause for St High Secondary School Jowai. Following St High Secondary School Jowai, we have following UC St High Secondary School Jowai, we have KGMP Set Up Lady Higher Secondary School Jowai, commanded by Master Riewshlur commanded by Master Amidian. Big round of applause for Master UP Secondary School, Jowai. Stored by the museum. Well, the idea is we have more than 200 people and producing about 7 metric tons of honey. However, this present production could not meet the market demand since already unique due to the presence of indigenous flora in our district. Beekeeping or apiculture is a scientific method of breeding bees for its conservation and high quality. Prisoners who are well engaged and participated in vocational training through bank account. District Prison and Correctional Home Jowai is giving vocational training on the following trades: job, sections and carpentry sections. Instructions like living conditions, other activities of prisoners are taken care from time to time so as to improve prison conditions. Every rural household and 55 LPCD by 2024. The mission was launched by Sri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India, in his independence speech on address was in the year 2019. So each round of applause is presented by the Office of Strategies, Screening for TB. Testing of TB diagnosis with TB LAAT, TRUNALAAT, treatment of TB, USTB or simple TB to 6 months, MDR, TB.
Effective span. At no such month, Sana Road, Lapangap Road to Chepenang. No such run Sana Road, Lapangap Road to Chepenang is an ODR road and recently sanctioned for improvement in charge, measuring and
PM Vishwakarma scheme. This is a central sector scheme which was launched on the 7th September 2023, aimed at supporting traditional artisans and craftspersons from both rural and urban sectors whose arts and crafts are passed from generation to generation. Awareness should be created among the villagers residing near the borders with respect to the long-term impact of forest fires. Creation of internal and external fire lines. Internal fire lines should be created to prevent fire spreading to the other parts of the forest.
projects focus on enhancement of natural resource management, access to finance, livelihood development, enterprise promotion, market linkage, and knowledge services. The Meghalaya Livelihood and Access to Market Program, Meghalaya, the goal is to improve family incomes and the quality of life in rural Meghalaya with an objective to attain an expanded and sustainable livelihood opportunities adapted to the health environment and to the effects of climate change. The Meghalaya Community-led Landscape Management Project (MCL). The project goal is to develop skills and capacities relating to community-led project management, fiduciary skills, natural resource management, etc. The community-based forest management in Meghalaya. The objective of the project is to restore and conserve natural resources accumulated by sustainable forest management, livelihood improvement, and institutional thereby promoting conservation of the environment, biodiversity, and uplifting of the economic conditions of people in the state of Meghalaya.
Citizens of Meghalaya, it gives me immense pleasure to extend my heartfelt greetings to you on the momentous occasions of India's 75th Republic Day. On this auspicious day, we reaffirm our commitment to the ideals enshrined in our constitutions and pay solemn tribute to the leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We also salute the patriots from our own side, Utirat Singh, Ukyang Nongwa, Patogen and Sangma, and others unsung heroes. We respectfully remember the martyrs from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and police forces who have laid down their life in protecting the rules of law. During the last year, the overall law and order situation in the state was peaceful. We made significant in resolving the border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam. In historic development of life-size statue Utirat Singh will be unveiled on 16 February 2024 in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Meghalaya was honored to host the maiden visit of our Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu. Earlier in January, the Honorable President attended the civic receptions at Tura, Bah Hek and Moklang, during which she opened the 5th edition of the Meghalaya game and interacted with the members of the Women of Self-Help Group. The Honorable President has also laid a foundation stone for a number of crucial infrastructure projects like the Shillong Peak Roadway, the Tura Integrated Administrative Complex, the village tourist accommodations. She also inaugurated a newly upgraded Rongjeng Mangsang Adogre Road and Mairang Rani Godown Ajara Road. The government operationalized the Rajbahn at Tura, which was inaugurated by the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Sri Babu Chauhan, on 12 January, situated within a sprawling of 28.45 acres plot and constructed at a cost of 24 crores rupees. The new Rajbahn is fulfillment the long-time aspirations of the people of Kyrwoh Hills.